Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another episode of Testing in Nutshell. This is Nish Kumar Singh and we are talking about JIRA Administrator tutorials. As a part of today's tutorial, we'll be getting into the next option of JIRA Administrator where we are talking about the projects management. What exactly we do here in terms of project management, it is to manage all your existing projects. If you want, you can definitely view the details of the project. Also, if you want, you can edit the existing details or even delete a project, which we generally do not recommend. Otherwise, we also have another option called as project categories, which allows you to create several categories to manage your projects into them. Now that would definitely add more value to your effectiveness of managing the project specific to different categories and then working on it. So let's understand quickly and explore a little bit how to work on these options and how to create different project items and understand the details of that and create a category to make use of it. As a part of this tutorial, we will be understanding more about how to manage the project within the JIRA server and also what exactly is project's category when it comes to the project management. In order to reach out to the project management section of JIRA Administrator, you need to make use of this cogwheel as usual and just click on the project section and you will be taken back to the projects menu within the JIRA Administrator. At any point of time, if you're already in Administrator, you know these are the tabs which will allow you to navigate into different segments of the JIRA Administrator. So as a part of this tab, you have two options or two menu items called as projects and projects categories. The first option, project, stands for the project management, which basically allows you to manage all your existing projects which are already created with all their details, and if you want to modify any information about the details, you can also do that from here. So once a project is created, you can also make any necessary changes to the project, which is not generally recommended, but if in case required, of course you can do so. So here in this section you will find the name of the project, the key, the project type, which is software, and the project lead, project support category, and of course the last issue updated on, the number of issues, and the action which comprises of the edit and delete option. Even if you want, you can create a project directly from here other than this option on the menu, which allows you to create a project, which will take you back to the same wizard which allows you to select a template and so on to create a new project. Further to add, of course, there is a project category. You see a project category here called as support projects. So let's navigate to project categories and see what exactly they are. As a part of this segment, you basically manage all your categories for different projects. Assume that you're working in a large-scale organization and there are several types of projects. Some of them are development projects, some of them are support projects, or there are many others which are just from the maintenance point of view, which do not have any new development, but of course a lot of maintenance which happens every year. Now, of course, when you come across these kind of scenarios, you do have situations where the projects need to be further categorized into different categories, and that's where it is important for you to create categories in order to customize the projects into that. So to do that, all you need to do is be in the project categories. You will have two text fields here to fill up the details of the name and the description of a new project category. So for example, I say maintenance projects. So these are the projects which are just specific to maintenance, and these are maintenance projects, and that's it. Just click on add and you will have a new category being added. So of course, if you have any projects associated with that, you can associate it from the project section. For example, I go back to the project section and I see that this testing in nutshell is a support project. What if I want to change the project category? Just click on edit and you will be allowed to modify the category of that. So just select maintenance project and come back and put it as save details. So this is that simple that you just have to create a category, and once the category is created, all you need to do is go back to the project and associate the project with that particular category, and that will become more easier for you to navigate between the projects and manage them. Anyways, this will take you back to the project settings, which we'll be talking a little later in our tutorial series. So to go back, just click on the JIRA Administrator options and projects. So if I come back to the administration section, now you see that the testing in a nutshell is a maintenance project now, and this is how you can make use of categories. Well, that's all from this particular tutorial, team. Should you have anything else, feel free to comment below. I'm always there to address your queries and answer them well. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.